What's up, sovereign traders? Steve here. April 15th, tax day. Let's go. S&P 500 at 699.87. We are $1 from 7,000. New all-time high territory. NASDAQ up 1.28%. 10-day winning streak. The rally is real. Bird. A shoe company called Allbirds just pivoted to AI compute infrastructure and went up 629% in one day, from $250 to $18. RSI 92, volume 19 times normal. This is Long Blockchain Corp 2.0. Do not touch this. Zero GPUs, zero AI revenue, undisclosed investor, Chardin placement. Every red flag is waving. The ceasefire. U.S.-Iran 2-week ceasefire from April 8th is fueling everything. But it's fraying. Expires around April 22nd. That's the single biggest risk event on the calendar. A durable ceasefire means one built to last with enforcement. We don't have that yet. If it holds, oil stays under 100 and stocks rip. If it fails, oil spikes past 110 and everything dumps. My plays. Airlines. Delta, United, Southwest. Number 1 ceasefire beneficiary. Delta RSI 61, healthy room to run. Target $80 on Delta. Small caps through IWM. Outperforming NASDAQ by 9% in 30 days because tariffs punish international names. Banks on dips. Morgan Stanley record revenue. Bank of America equities trading up 30%, but both overbought. Wait for a pullback. XOM cash-secured puts at the 140 strike. It's oversold at RSI 31. Tesla momentum to 420 if it clears 400. Options flow is unanimously bullish. Every single ticker has a put-call ratio below 1. Watch Netflix Thursday. 6.54% implied move. That's your next catalyst. Full analysis with charts, technicals on 29 tickers, and options flow is live at Steve